Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this tutorial, we will show you how to mark a reminder as urgent and get an alarm on your iPhone when it's due. In iOS 26.2 or later, Apple has added a new feature to the Reminders app that lets users add an alarm to their reminder. When this reminder is due, iPhone rings an alarm that you can snooze just like a normal alarm. This new feature helps you complete time-sensitive and urgent reminders without forgetting about them. You can easily create new reminders with the alarm functionality by following these steps. Launch the Reminders app and create a new reminder. Enter your reminder details and then tap on the I button from the right side. On the next screen, make sure to turn on the toggle for urgent and select the time you want to be reminded about this particular reminder by tapping on the time option. After you are done, simply tap on the done button from the top. By default, your urgent reminders will show snooze and stop options. However, you can also add the complete option and mark your urgent reminders as complete directly from the notification. You can enable this by going to Settings. Here, tap on the Apps option and then tap on the Reminders option. Here, scroll down and turn on the toggle for Complete from Alarm. That's it. This is how you can use the new Urgent Reminders feature and get alarms for your time-sensitive reminders. If you found this tip helpful, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.